Good morning. Today is November 11, 2019. On Monday, it's Happy Veterans Day here in Guam, where America's Day begin. And I'm waiting for my veteran, my husband, and my hero, Ian Alexander Curry. And just to show you how patriotic and how dedicated he is first he has a morning flight in Saipan as a pilot and protecting the people and transporting the people to their family, back to their island, to their friends and veterans, also to celebrate Veterans Day, that they deserve to be honored and to give thanks to them for their service and for all their love. So I made Ian this breakfast waiting from his Saipan flight. And this is his diabetic pancake. I use coconut flour and paleo pancake mix and low glycemic pancake mix to give all the flavors. And I put some raspberry, some blueberry, and some pecan. No syrup for him, so his sweets will be his fruits. So I have plum, cantaloupe, melon, and kiwi, and a little strawberry heart there for my veteran and my husband, my love, and my hero. Can't wait for his reaction. We'll see. Veterans Day, Ian!
Are we on video?
Yes.
Now what do I do?
How many years of service in the Navy?
Well, if you include my college years, more than one.
Happy Veterans Day. Thank you for your love and
Here's
service.
my Mickey Mouse veteran waffle thing.
Yay!
That's Mickey Mouse too.